Jackables. Who's that lady? Who's that? Who that? Oh, here comes Mo. Says, hey, it's my turn. Says, what's going on? I deserve the attention.
Even he wants to bite me, but he tried to be gentle.
Yeah, he doesn't bite hard. He just kind of chews a little bit.
Just sampling. Plus, he doesn't have all of his teeth.
Yeah.
Hey, Jack? There he goes. Mo says, I don't know about that guy. I don't know about that guy. I'm a good boy. Yeah, good.
Yeah. Massage? What? Don't be grumpy. What? It's the food. It's my food. What do you want? You can get? I get it. What's it want?
Thank you for watching, guys.